Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten Curriculum. My name is Dennis Wong and we've made it to Unit 3. So in this unit we're going to learn new bass clef notes, new notes in general, but especially new bass clef notes. So far we know our notes around the middle C, that was the middle C, D, E, and our left hand was also placed on the middle C, the thumb was on the middle C, and then we had F, G, A, B, C. So this was the hand position that we were playing with lately. Okay, so if you get your kindergarten lesson printable ready, you'll see our new notes, well, some of them. And on this paper, the first thing we could do is we could take out some pencils or pens or watercolors or crayons, and we could color all of the notes of the same kind and the same color. So C is coded here in red, D is purple, E is yellow, F is blue, and G is green. And then we can point out that we have the bass clef here. So these are all bass clef notes. And we can color, as I said, all the notes of the same kind in the same color, just as it is here. Okay, then the next thing, if we take a look at the very first note here, it says, let's put our thumb on G. It's the bass clef, so naturally we want to start with our left hand. And it says, let's put our thumb on G. So this is the G that we already knew. It was finger number 4 playing it the whole time, but now we want to place our thumb on that G. And if we look at the first note here, we notice that we play the G with the thumb, then it goes one step down to F, then it goes one more step down to E, one more step down to our new D, and one more step down, and the pinky will play the new low C. So I'll play this first part again. We have the thumb on G, and we just step down, very easy. Now the next one, it starts with the C. So our pinky is placed on that C right now, the new low C. And then it goes up, step by step. It's just stepping up here. There we go. And then the last one, the last section here is called skipping around. Now that sounds like we will have to skip here and play some skips, and that's what we got to do. So it starts with the low C, then we skip to E, then we skip to G, back to E, and back to C. So we have all these space notes here. If the child enjoys using stickers, we could use some stickers again to mark our skips, because we're going from space to space to space to space to space. We have no line notes. Those are the notes that we're actually skipping here, and it starts on the low C. And then we skip to E, then we skip to G, then we skip back to E, and we skip back to C. So we could play the first part and the second part, and then we could actually look for these notes with either some colorful pom-poms. I have colorful pom-poms here, or you could also use some popsicle sticks, colorful ones. I am gonna use the popsicle sticks this time because I got bored of the pom-poms for now. Okay, so the C is red, that's the new lower C. Then we have the D. Then we have E in yellow. Then we have a bluish teal F. And then we have the green G here. So those are our new notes. And then we can look at the next one, the skipping around one, and now we have to take off the line notes here. So we're taking off D and F, and we only play C, E, and G. That's just to visualize it a little bit more in a colorful way. So yeah, and that's it. So I would make sure that we practice this often enough before we move on to the next lesson, because these are our new main notes. All right, guys, that was it. That was a very short lesson, but I am excited to see you guys in the next lesson.